Children, in chapter 17, perimeter and area, today we are going to do word problem. So let's continue with exercise 17.3, question 4. In the given figure, find the area of the path or green shaded portion which is 2 meter wide all around. Children, in the given figure, we have two rectangles. One is outer rectangle and the other is inner rectangle. Now, if from the area of outer rectangle, I cut this blue shaded portion, which is area of inner rectangle, I get area of the path or the green shaded portion. So children, let's find out the area of these two rectangles. The length and breadth of outer rectangle is 60 meter by 40 meter, and we observe that the length of the inner rectangle is 2 meter shorter from one side and 2 meter shorter from the other side. So in total it is 4 meter shorter than the length of the outer rectangle. Similarly, the breadth of the inner rectangle is 2 meter shorter from one side and 2 meter shorter from the other side. So it is also in total 4 meter shorter than the breadth of the outer rectangle. So let's find out. Length of inner rectangle is 60 minus 4 meters. So it is 56 meter. Breadth of inner rectangle is equal to 40 minus 4 meter. So it is 36 meter. We know the area of path is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. And I hope you remember the formula to find out the area is length into breadth. So area of outer rectangle is equal to 60 into 40 square meter, and the area of inner rectangle is 56 into 36 square meters. On multiplying, we get here 2400 square meter minus 2016 square meter, and on subtraction we get 384 square meter. So the area of the path or the green shaded portion is 384 square meter. Now let's do question 5. The length of the rectangular blackboard is 3 times its width. If the width is 1.5 meter, find its area. Also find the cost of painting the blackboard at the rate of rupees 4 per square meter. So children, let's find out the length of the blackboard. Now we know width of rectangular blackboard is 1.5 meter. Therefore, length is equal to 3 times its width. So it is 3 into 1.5 meter. So we get here 4.5 meter. Now area of blackboard is length into breadth. So we have 4.5 into 1.5 square meter. On multiplying, we get 6.75 square meter. Now the cost of painting 1 square meter is equal to rupees 4. And to find out the total cost of painting the blackboard is to find the cost of painting its area, which is 6.75 square meter. So cost of 6.7 square meter is equal to rupees 4 into 6.75. And on multiplying, we get here rupees 27.00. So it is equal to rupees 27. So the cost of painting the blackboard is rupees 27. Now let's move to question 9. A wire is cut into several small pieces. Each of the small piece is bent into a square of side 2 centimeter if the total area of the small squares is 28 square centimeter, what was the original length of the wire? Children, in the question, we are not given how many squares are made, but we are given total area of all the small squares, which is 28 square centimeter. And we can also find the area of the one small square. So if we divide total area by area of one square, we get the number of squares made. So let's find out the number of squares made. So side of a small square is equal to 2 centimeter. So area of square is side into side. So area of a small square is equal to 2 into 2 square centimeter. So we get here 4 square centimeter. Now total area of small squares is given as 28 square centimeters. So we write equals to 28 square centimeter. So the number of small squares is equal to total area of small squares divided by area of one small square. So it is 28 divided by 4. So here we get 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So we get 7 squares. Now children, to find out the length of the wire, first we will find out the perimeter of one small square, and then we will find out the perimeter of 7 small squares. So let's find out. Now perimeter of a square is 4 into side, and the side of a square is 2 centimeter. So it is 4 into 2 centimeters. So the perimeter of one square is equal to 8 centimeter. Now perimeter of 7 squares is equal to 7 into 8 centimeter. So it is equal to 56 centimeters. So the total length of the wire is 56 centimeters. Now let's move to question 10. A rectangular room is 10 meter long and 6 meter wide. Find the cost of covering the floor with the carpet of 2 meter wide at the rate of rupees 42 per meter. Now children, to find out the cost of covering the floor with carpet, first we need to find out the area of the floor. So let's find out. So area of floor is equal to 10 into 6 square meter. So it is equal to 60 square meter. Now we know area of carpet is equal to area of floor, as we have to cover the floor by with carpet. So area of carpet is equal to 60 square meters. Now the width of carpet is 2 meters. So if area and width is known, we can find out the length of the carpet by dividing area by width. So we have 60 divided by 2. So we get here 30 meters. Now the cost of carpeting 1 meter is equal to rupees 42. So the cost of carpeting 30 meters is equal to rupees 42 into 30, and we get here rupees 1260. So children, the cost of carpeting the floor is rupees 1260. Now let's move to question 11. Find the cost of flooring a room 7.5 meter by 6 meter wide with square tile of side 30 centimeter at the rate of rupees 6 per tile. Children, here the side of a square is given in centimeters, so we have to change the length and breadth of the floor into centimeters. So length is equal to 7.5 into 100 centimeters. So we get 750 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 6 into 100 centimeter. So we get 600 centimeter. Now area of floor is equal to length into breadth. So it is 750 into 600 square centimeter. So on multiplying, we get here 4,50,000 square centimeter. Now children, side of a square tile is equal to 30 centimeter. And the area of one tile is side into side. So it is 30 into 30 square centimeter. So we get here 900 square centimeter. Now to find out the number of tiles, we have to divide floor of area by area of one tile. So we have 4,50,000 upon 900. Cancel out 2 zeros. Now 9 ones are 9 fives are 45. Then 2 zeros. So we get 500 tiles. And we know the cost of one tile is rupees 6. So the cost of 500 tiles is rupees 6 into 500. So it is equal to rupees 3,000. So children, the cost of flooring the room with tiles is rupees 3,000. I hope you have understood these questions. Now for worksheet questions, do exercise 17.3, questions 6, 7, 8, 12. Thank you. Have a nice day.